Flipping out, what does it mean? Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English expression, flip out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also be able to use it comfortably in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Flip out is a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are phrases that consist of a verb and a preposition or adverb. Their meaning is often different from the individual words. So, flip out doesn't mean to flip something outside. Let's find out what it actually means. When someone says they flipped out, or someone is flipping out, it means that the person is reacting strongly to something, usually out of surprise, anger, or excitement. This reaction is typically exaggerated or more intense than expected. For example, if someone received unexpected good news and they started jumping and shouting in joy, you could say, "He totally flipped out when he heard the news." Using expressions in context always helps to understand them better. Let's see a few examples. 1. When she saw the spider on her bed, she flipped out and screamed. 2. I flipped out with happiness when I got the job offer. 3. Don't flip out, but I accidentally broke your favorite vase. Each of these sentences demonstrates a different emotional reaction, but all are strong and somewhat exaggerated. Like many English expressions, flip out has a few variations. 1. Freak out. This is quite similar in meaning and can be used interchangeably with flip out. For instance, I freaked out when I saw the bill means the same as I flipped out when I saw the bill. 2. Lose one's cool. This specifically refers to becoming angry or agitated. He lost his cool when he found out the truth. These phrases enrich your vocabulary and allow for nuanced expressions. And there we have it. Now you're equipped to use flip out and its variations confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is filled with such interesting phrases, and understanding them can make your communication more colorful and expressive. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!